It's unboxing time! Today, we're taking a look at Accuretta's newest lineup, the Soul Plus, CURIE Plus, and the NFinity nitrogen generator. Full disclosure, these units were sent to us directly by Ackuretta for testing and review. This isn't a sponsored video, and we're not being paid to share our opinions. That said, in the interest of full transparency, they do provide the equipment free of charge. So big thanks to Ayush and the Ackuretta team. Still, our goal stays the same, to provide clear, honest, and practical education. Whether you're running a high-throughput lab or building a chairside workflow, we're here to help you make informed decisions. So without further ado, let's take a closer look. So let's start with the Soul Plus. The weight is approximately 66 pounds. The unit measures 17.3 by 14.6 by 99 inches. It has a significantly larger footprint compared to the original Soul. The design is sleek and minimal with premium build quality, highlighted by its durable metal hood. In the box, you will find the Soul Plus 3D printer, build platform, resin bat with a UV protective storage box, thermal agitator, starter toolkit with a scraper, nippers, and other essential tools, Ethernet cable and Wi-Fi dongle, power cable, hex keys, and the Ackuretta concierge service box. This LCD 3D printer offers a build volume 2.7 times larger than its predecessor, measuring 21.8 by 12.7 by 12 cm, and is capable of printing up to 28 full arches vertically. It's clear that this model is aimed at much higher production volume. The Soul Plus delivers at 45 micron XY resolution, supports layer thicknesses from 30 to 150 microns, and is compatible with a wide range of resins. Additional features include offline mode for up to 7 days, resin warming 1, and a clean vet function that simplifies resin management and routine maintenance. Next, let's look at the CURIE Plus. Compact yet robust. It features a sleek touchscreen interface and an automatic one-touch door lock mechanism, adding both convenience and modern touch to its design. This is CURIE Plus measures. Each expanded curing chamber can accommodate up to 8 full arches simultaneously, perfectly aligned with the Soul Plus printing capacity. Equipped with 65 LEDs operating at 365, 385, and 405 nanometers. It supports a wide range of photopolymer resins. The 360-degree light distribution ensures uniform curing, eliminating the need to reposition the prints. Curing times are adjustable from 1 second to 20 minutes, offering flexibility for various materials and applications. The CURIE Plus comes preloaded with over 150 validated resin profiles, and its firmware updates automatically via Wi-Fi. Also included are 3 nitrogen hoods designed for use with NFinity nitrogen generator. This setup enables oxygen-free curing, which enhances both the surface quality and mechanical strength of printed parts. Finally, we have the NFinity nitrogen generator. Lightweight and compact, the NFinity features a clean design and a minimalistic interface, clearly engineered for plug-and-play integration into dental workflows. So this is the weight and measures of NFinity. It has a smaller footprint than most post-processing equipment, making it ideal for space-conscious clinics and labs. The NFinity extracts nitrogen directly from ambient air, delivering a continuous flow of 95% pure nitrogen. Additionally, the NFinity offers dual voltage compatibility, allowing for flexible installation across various regions without the need for voltage converters. So, over the next few weeks, we're going to put the whole Ackuretta workflow through real-world R&D, run test prints, and document the results. We'll be sharing everything: print speed, reliability, software integration, you name it. So, stay tuned and make sure to subscribe here on YouTube and follow us on Instagram, TikTok for the latest updates.